What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining the changes slash fixes to the new server. So if you haven't watched the last video, go watch the last video because it'll explain the new server and everything. And this is it, Abby and Sam SMP. I did just finish some maintenance. I added a lot of new plugins. I learned how to upload plugins into your server, and there are a lot of new features. And also, I fixed the bug, like not really a bug, it was like a problem that I made, because there's this thing called port forwarding. So there was a feature called port forwarding, and then they said that, well, like really, like you have to do port forwarding for anyone to join your server. So, but I didn't know that before. I thought it was just optional, and it just like makes the IP shorter or something. But you actually need port forwarding for other people to join your server. So I actually have a new IP that you can use to join. So if you want to join, just press add server. You can name it whatever you want. I would just name it like Abby and Sam or Abby and Sam SMP. I'm just gonna do SMP, and in the server address, you're gonna want to put the thing on screen right now. So I have this notepad with the server IP right here. So you're gonna want to just copy this from the description. I'm gonna put it in the description, and it's on the screen right now. And then just paste it over here. It's not gonna work for me. It's gonna say like can't connect the server, because I don't think it works for if it's on your own. For mine, I either have to put this, 192.168.1.16, or I can just put 0, or I can put local host. Any of those work. If I just refresh, yeah, then now I have two of the same thing. And if I edit this, I use this one. Or if I want, I can just do 0. 0 is just basically like your IP. And then I can just delete the duplicate. And it's the same thing. If I refresh, it doesn't say can't connect the server or anything. And I edit, the IP this address is just 0. But for you guys, you're gonna have to put it in the thing in the description. But for me, it's not gonna work. I don't know. Yeah, it just doesn't work for me. I just have to put 0 or something. So I'm gonna show you all of the new plugins, and then like all of the new plugins and everything. And also I fixed the Bedrock server. So I was using a website called ALOT to host my Bedrock server, but like the website isn't really that good, I think. So but I switched to hosting it on my own PC. So there's this thing on PC where you can either host it on your PC or on a website. So there are things like ALOT and something called Minehut. Minehut is a really popular one, and there's something called, like, there's other things too. But on PC, you have to go to this website, like you have to go to Minecraft website and then download your server. So it will be in your downloads, and then something will be over here. The server will be over here. You have to make a new text document with, and then like when you open it, you have to put a certain command in, like a certain line of code, and then rename it to run.bat. And then yeah, you just have to change the file extension, and then it becomes a Windows batch file, which runs on Windows command processor. It's kind of complicated. This zip can run to your PC. That's because I didn't put any code, but if you put the code, it should run on your PC and everything. This isn't a tutorial to host it on your PC or anything. So if you want to make a Minecraft server, just look up how to host a Minecraft server on your own PC. And for example, like in Minehut, there should be an option to go to files in every hosting service, and then it's going to be the same exact files that are in your folder which you put your server in if you're hosting it on your own computer. So it's just like basically the same thing, but it's just a little easier to do it. But I like to just host it on our own PC, because I can just go to I put mine in my E drive and paper server, and it's somewhere over here. Yeah, server.properties. These are all the settings of the server. On Minehut, you have to pay to change certain, like it's limited for free. For example, there should be player limit, I think. Yeah, max players. I put my max players at 100 because, but Minehut, things like Minehut and other websites will limit it at 20. But if you're doing it on your own PC, then you can just set it to unlimited. Like you can just do basically any amount. But it might make your server really laggy if you put it really high. So I usually just keep it at 100. And other things like view distance. Well, view distance is fine, but the MOTD is the message of the day that shows up right here. Ambient SMP server maintenance finally finished. Lots of upgrades and new plugins. That's the thing that's there. And then you can. These are the color codes I just put. I don't think you can put color codes on the websites. I don't know if you can. There might be a way to. But yeah, I'm just gonna close out of that. But this isn't a tutorial to like make a server or anything. And I also made a Bedrock server. It's basically the same thing. These are all the files for the Bedrock server, and this is to run the Bedrock server. I just have to open this, and in a few seconds it should run. Yeah, it's over here. It's just like setting up everything, setting up server logging, and yeah, server started. And then I can just stop the server from here. Stopping server, and then it closes automatically. But yeah, it should be the same IP. So in the IP address on Bedrock, there's 2 tabs. So one is the address. You can name it anything you want. You can put the name as anything. In the address, you have to put this, which is on screen and in the description. Yeah, name it whatever you want. In the address, you have to put this, and in the port, you have to put what's on screen here. I don't remember what it is. I think it's 1932 or something. I think it was 1932. But it's on screen right here, or somewhere on the screen, and in the description definitely. So like, and I don't have like a different Wi-Fi or a different computer I can test this out from. Well, I do have a different computer, but I don't have a different like Wi-Fi or service or anything to test it out on. So I just have to see what you guys say. If it doesn't work, if it's just put it in the comments if it doesn't work or not. If it works or not, just put it. And put your platform too, so I know which ones are having problem with. And also keep in mind that I can't open it forever. So like, when you open, wait, I'm just gonna stop the Java server because the Java server is running right now. The server is stopped now. So to run it, I just have to go into paper server or whatever. Well, I named it paper server. And then you can go the paper is the platform. Basically, I didn't just name it paper randomly. Paper is the like type of server I'm doing, because there are different types of servers you can do. Paper is usually the best one because you can install a lot of mods and plugins. Maybe not mods, but definitely a lot of plugins. And to run the server, I just have to open this file run.bat, and I also have a shortcut on my desktop, so I can just open the shortcut. And oh wait, well, I actually forgot to make the shortcut to this, but I can still run it from here, the actual file. And then it's just loading. I'm just gonna skip ahead to when it creates. So the server is now started up. This is all the progress and everything. But this is basically like the console. You might have heard of it. It's the console of the server. It's basically just my server. If I delete this server, then I can't run the server anymore. And yeah, I can't stop it from here too. If I stop it from here, it will corrupt the files, and then like it will have difficulties. I just have to type in stop over here and then press enter, and then it will start stopping and close out automatically. But this is basically kind of like the chat, I guess. So just pretend there's an invisible slash here because of slash commands. Like this thing basically is like a slash. So I can just here put weather clear, and then I'm doing weather clear. Okay, yep, no, I was actually wrong. I don't think I can do weather clear. It says like error when running from console, usage is slash weather world storm slash sun duration. I don't know what that is. I used to be able to do it, but I don't know why it's not letting me do it anymore. But I can still do time. So time set day. And then it says the time was set to 0 ticks in world nether, world the end. So it was just basically saying the world is the overworld, world nether is the nether, and world the end is the end. So it's nighttime in all 3 dimensions. 2 days ago, I don't know why I did this, but I just did it for fun. I changed my username to Cool Gamer. I don't know why, but now I was trying to change it back and I can't for 30 days. But if you see Cool Gamer in there, that's me. I don't know why I set it to that, but I'm gonna change it back to Million X Sam soon. So the first time you join, you'll spawn right over here. So I'm just gonna show you what these are. So use slash spawn to get started. So this one says just welcome to Abby and Sam. This is kind of long. It goes to the wall sometimes. But it says use slash claim house in the chat and select 2 corners to not let other people mine or place blocks there. So basically you can just do slash claim house. You don't need to do house. I just put that in as an example, but I recommend you do house. You can just name it whatever you want. You just like put claim name. So I'm just gonna do claim house, and then it'll say click any block to claim a corner. I can just do this and another corner over here. So I've claimed this land, so no one can mine any of this. Only I can. No one can mine blocks over here or place blocks or interact with anything. So I already have one then, and then I can also do clear claim. I think I can do clear claim or claim clear. Yeah, I don't know which one it was, so I'm just gonna do claim help. Claim help. You can do my claims. I'm pretty sure there was a one. Oh, here it is, I think. So slash claim region name. Region name is just the name. So I'm just gonna remove the one that I did. I'll just remove spawn. And then I can do remove. It should work. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure there's a command. But I can just do claim house or whatever you want to call it. Click one, and then click the other corner of your house. And then now it says you cannot claim this land. There is already land claimed in this region. That's mine. So yeah, now that means it's working, I guess. And then it says use slash set home to set your house to your current location, and slash home to TP to your home at any time. So, and these are just signs, you can read it if you want. So I can do slash set home. I'm not going to enter it because I actually built my own house, which I'll show you later. And then you can just do slash home anytime to teleport to your house. Yeah, and that's pretty cool if you just want to teleport to your house. There's also something called gravestones, so I can just mine out of here. Oh, and also I'll show you what happens when you do slash spawn. So if you do /spawn, you don't need to do other things. Like I don't think these will show up for you. This is just because I'm an operator. If I de-up myself, the only command that's there is /spawn. So I can do just /spawn, don't type anything else, and then enter, and it's gonna teleport you to a place. That's actually my house. I will show you guys that later if you guys want to see it. So yeah, let's just show you all the commands. Yeah, so there should be something called graves. So my house is right here, so I'm gonna spawn inside it, because you have to do set home. If I can just set home over here, and then you already have a home named home. To overwrite your existing home, type that command again. So yeah, you can just, well, I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to overwrite my own home. So for example, if I just do /kill, well, you first have to do /set home, and then you'll teleport in your home. I can just do /set home, and then it'll make my home location where I currently am, and then I can do /home to teleport to my home anytime. So I'm just gonna do /kill cool gamer, which is my temporary name, and then when I do that, and I only have that command, like, it's because I have access to all the commands. Okay, so I'm just gonna break out of here because I don't want to show you guys the house yet, but I will show you guys the house later. Yeah, so this thing will pop up. It's gonna be just your username, grave, 2 items, 7 levels, 2 hours, 59 minutes, and like however time it left. So yeah, it is basically, oh, well, I accidentally destroyed it because I forgot I have instant break because I'm in creative. But yeah, I just got my items. So you can either, I don't know if you get it in survival, like if you're in survival and you destroy the chest, but I'm gonna show you the actual way to do it. So I'm just gonna /kill myself, or /kill me. Okay, respawn. Yeah, and it also stores your levels, so you just have to right click. When you right click, it's gonna do cool gamer's grave, or whatever person's name, grave, and then you can just get the items back. So you can only get it from yourself. It's not like someone else can steal your items. Like, no one else can just get into your grave and steal them. Only yourself can do it. And these are actually all the plugins. So some of these I don't need anymore, like deluxe menus and display name. I don't need those. I'm gonna delete those later. So I just showed you the graves.jar, and then I holographic displays is something else, like the holograms in the spawn area. And in the jobs, you can just to look at the jobs. Jobs are just basically ways to earn money or something. Earn money and levels, I think, and there's also something called points. I don't know what them exactly are, but money doesn't really do anything because I don't have a shop. I might get a shop plugin soon, but the normal shop plugin, the shop plugin that everybody uses, actually costs money. Like it only costs like $1 or $2, but I'm not gonna spend money on a Minecraft server. And then, so to look at jobs, you just have to do /jobs join. So you should have access to that command. If there are any problems, just put it in the comments. So I just do /jobs join, enter, and then it will pick up this, show up this menu, GUI, and then these are all the jobs: hunter, brewer, enchanter, fisherman. I think this is blacksmith or something. I can't see the whole thing. I'm gonna have to fix that maybe. Woodcutter, builder, digger, crafter, explorer, miner, and farmer. So I'm just gonna choose miner now. I'm just gonna do miner, and you can choose which one. So if for this one, for example, you get $158, 1.05 points, and 0.51 XP for mining andesite, and same for other things too, like stone, granite, diorite, and there are different cost and different money for each one and everything, and different ores. So I'm just gonna choose the easiest one. I think it goes easiest to hardest, and this is like kill a player, and then I don't know if I don't know if you can do kill a player, because I think I have PvP disabled. I might enable PvP sometimes. Yeah, but these are like iron, gold, diamond, and emerald, so this is probably the hardest. Iron is pretty easy, kind of. But I'm just gonna choose the first one. And then when you select it, just make sure you have it selected. And then I'm gonna go to game mode survival. And then give myself a diamond pickaxe. Okay. And then I'm just gonna mine down and see what it says. Forgot. I think you have to right click it. So make sure you right click it, or it says already working. So, but maybe you just have to keep doing it. Oh wait. I realized. So, like when you click it, these aren't your jobs. These are like, you don't get to select these, because when you select it, nothing happens. But these are just the jobs you have to do. Oh, at first I thought you have to select one of these, but I think it just takes a while, because I've been mining for a few seconds. I'm just gonna do jobs, join again. Yes, stone is $1.5. I don't think I'm getting anything. Maybe it's because I'm an operator. I don't know. I'm just gonna go to game mode. Wait, this is stone, right? Yeah. And then go to game mode creative. I mean, not creative. Game mode survival. Yeah, I'm just gonna be mining stone for a while and see if oh, there it is. Level 1 miner. And, yeah, level 1 miner. 5.5 per 14 XP or something. I don't know what it says. It was there for a second. But yeah, you just have to keep on mining. And then now it appears, yeah, it said something. It said that you got 7.5 money and 5 points. Yeah, I'm just getting XP. I'm already level 6. And I don't think I was any levels before this. I don't know. It says I'm now level 2 miner. Yeah, so you just have to keep mining. I don't know if you get faster. I don't think you get faster. I thought you would get like faster at mining if you get more practice or something. But I don't think that's like, it's like that. You just level up and earn more money. So yeah, and this is what I mined. Like I mined a few walls over here. So that's like worth 2 levels, I guess. But you can select other things too, like hunter and builder. Builder, I'm pretty sure you just build blocks, any blocks, and then you can mine blocks. I'm pretty sure you can select 2 jobs. So if you get builder and miner, it would be really easy, because you can just mine some blocks and then place those exact same blocks down. But there is a limit. Like, it's not like you can, like, I mined this block. For example, if I mined this block and then I got dirt, I can just place it down and then mine it again and then keep doing that. You can't do that. There's a rule for that. There's a cooldown on how much you can do it. So you're gonna have to, if you place one block down, you can't mine that block for another like few minutes. Or like maybe you can mine it, but you just won't earn money for another few minutes. So you don't have to try that. The next one is land claiming. I'm just gonna show this, and then luck perms. Luck perms is something for me. Some of these plugins aren't for you guys to use, but the only ones I'm going to be showing to you guys are the features. Luck perms is like one of the things I have to use to give you guys permission to do some commands. Same as my command PvP tab. I'll show you that, and we'll edit. So you guys probably know what it's like to hit tab. So well, the default is tab, but some people change it. Because when I press tab, it shows up the inventory. But but the default is tab to show this. But for me, I changed it to E. So when I hold down E, it shows up the list of players. But for me, it's just more customized with this plugin. So it just says over here, I can't really point to it, but it says Abby and Sam, welcome cool gamer, online players 1, online staff 1. Online staff is like, it just considers anyone who has op is staff. So since I have op, it's putting me as staff. It shows the server TPS, which is the ping of the server, and then your own ping, which is for me 0 ms because I'm hosting it on my own PC. So it doesn't take any time at all to connect to the server. And then it says the date and time and everything. But I think that's the real date and time, not the server date and time. Yeah, it is. And then the last one is world edit. You guys don't have access to world edit, so you need world access, but I guess I'll just show it anyway. I can just do //1, and then it will come in my inventory, and then I can do /tool /var1, and then that's just gonna put up the range. So I can just do 1 over here, and second question over there, //replace hashtag air, which means the air, with oak links, I guess. And then, yeah, just put some big box over there, and I can undo that. And if I don't do it hashtag air, then it's just like, if I do 2 positions, this is gonna be weird because it's not a flat land, so it's gonna be confusing. So, oak links, and then it's just gonna replace everything there with oak links, and then I can just do // undo. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just put in the comments. Make sure to put in the comments if it works or not, and I'll see you next time.